Hey beautiful, welcome to my channel. I'm Saran Leone and today we are going to get into my skincare routine. Here is my face. Still have some crusties in my eyes and some sleep prints in my skin, and I'm looking a little dry. My skin needs to be awakened and refreshed. So I've been using Fenty Skin since September, so this video is like an update on my skin. Check out my previous Fenty Skin video for more details about the products. I will leave the video link here. I'm gonna try to fit other details in this video, so stay tuned. This is the Total Cleanser. My favorite things about the line is the packaging. This twisty cap really keeps things mess free, and I have control of how much of the total cleanser I want to use. Here I'm using a lot. You can use about like half, but I just wanted to show you guys the texture. Now I'm going to apply my cleanser to damp skin. Yes, so this is just water that I'm applying to my skin before the product. I'm rubbing my face in upward circular motions to wake up my skin. The texture is so silky. It really feels like it's just melting into my skin. As you can see, I'm really going in because I love how this lathers. I'm cleansing, but I feel like I'm moisturizing too. And I'm smoothing out all dry wrinkles with this hydration, okay? I could really do this for a while. That's crazy. I did not realize I was really throwing my hands in a circle this fast. That was it. Look at my skin. Let me get closer. Look at my skin. Clean, fresh, and ready for the next step. Okay, so this is the fat water. I feel like I've manifested this product into my routine because check out this clip from April of my skin prep before makeup. First, I'm going to tone my face using this witch hazel. This witch hazel has rose petals in it and it's also alcohol free. I like using a toner on my face because it does minimize the appearance of pores. I like the fresh feeling that it gives my face, and I know some people do it with a sponge. Me, I just like feel it like water. Right? So back to this fat water toner serum. I can apply it the exact same way, straight into my hand and on my face. The ingredients in this product are bomb, and they definitely help with minimizing my pores and helping out with those dark spots. Okay, so this is definitely a level up for my skin routine. My skin looks and feels plump. I really want this product to seep into my forehead wrinkles because I don't want a dark line across my forehead where I express the most, you know? And I actually see my skin improving, so I'm gonna pat this into my skin really good and let it dry down. So I was just breathing in, waking up, and feeling happy for my skin. Okay, so now let's get into my SPF. Yes, my SPF. Can you believe that this is new to my skincare routine? I'm obviously obsessed with the twisty cap, okay? But I'm excited about my SPF 30 and my moisturizer. I'm just so excited because this is really going to help prevent any more hyperpigmentation. And it's really not an oily product. Again, I'm a combination. I have combo skin, and I really try to avoid. So I'm just applying this SPF all over my skin, and as you can see, it is melting down beautifully. This product has a fresh, light scent that I obviously can't get enough of. Here I am just rubbing down, smoothing down the product into my neck and my chest. Attitude change as soon as the glow starts kicking in. Are you ready? All right. So, moving right along to my Pro Kisser Lip Loving Scrub Stick. This has little apricot beads in it, so it's going to help exfoliate my lips. Absolutely love this product. Keep forgetting about it. Need to use it a lot more. Now I'm going to use my Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm in Hint Hint. This is so hydrating on the lips and it feels so smooth, just like butter. Okay, beauties, that is it for my daytime skin routine. My skin feels so soft. Here's what my skin looks like super, super close up. There are still some imperfections like lines, wrinkles, some dark spots, but it'll get better in time. If you liked this content, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if you want another updated skincare routine, but only for the nighttime, because I have the Instant Reset Overnight Cream. Want to know what I think? Want to watch me demo it? Let me know. Just want to remind you that this is my honest review / update. I didn't receive an PR and I'm not sponsored, and I plan to let you know about the products that I'm using, so subscribe.